Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial about count function. Uh, my name is Sekara, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use count function and also how you can use count a, count ifs and count blank as well, right? So here I have sales data for ABC company, and I have employees name, department, product name, unit sold, sales revenue, and revenue about 10k, right? So what I'm going to do is I will, instead of explaining how this function work, I'll show you how it works so you can understand it easily, right? So now when it comes to count function, it consider numerical values and ignore like text, non-numerical values and blank cell. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to type equals count and I'm going to select this range, and then I'm going to click enter. So it returned 9 as the result. It's because in this data set we have 9 records, right? So that's why it returned 9 as a result. So count A, it is not just consider numerical, it's also consider text values and also logical values. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to type equals count A and I'm going to select the product name, okay, and then enter, and it says 8 because we have a one blank cell, and then count A function ignore that, right? So count if is a little bit different. Let me show you. Equals count if, and I'm going to select this data range and I'm going to enter product A, right? So this function look at this selected range and check how many values are there that are equals to product A, right? So I'm going to click enter and the result is 2 because we have product A here and here, right? So count if is a little bit different because we can add two conditions or multiple conditions here. Let me show you. Equals count count ifs. I'm going to select this data range and product A, comma, and the second criteria, I'm going to select this range, and then my condition is greater than, let's say, 50, right? So it's this function is going to look at product name and check how many values are there that are equals to product A and also greater than 50, right? So if these two conditions are met, it will return the number and it will count it and return the number, right? So enter, it says 1 because you can say the product name equals A, all right? It says 100 and here it's 25. So the condition is the product name should be product A and the unit sold should be above 50. So there's only one record that match this criteria. So the last one is count blank. So it count how many blanks are there in the selected range. Now for example equals count blank and I'm going to select this range and it says 1. Alright, so I think it's very clear to you. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you in the next video.